Hi, this video is for the guide base in Fusion 360. Like any other of the videos, pause when you need to. I will be going through this step by step. If you have any problems, let me know. Okay, so first thing I want to do, what you should do, is check what units we are working with. And this time we're working with millimeters. So in Fusion, go into Document Settings, hit that little arrow, look at the units. See, mine's in inches. So I'm going to hit the change active units, come over to this box, go to millimeters, and say OK. That'll set us up for unit wise. Okay. So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to do the side profile here. I'm going to extrude it. Okay. Then I'm going to put out this round fork shape on both sides. Then I'm going to do the circle commands here. Do the rectangle slot. And last, to fill up all these edges. Okay. All right, let's go into Fusion. We're going to go up here to Create Sketch. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the right plane. So we're going to do the right side. Go into the line, and I'm going to create the basic shape of this. I'm going to draw this outside shape. Okay. Come out this way. Make sure it's nice and straight. Up a little bit. At an angle. Okay, over and down. All right, one of the things I want to make sure is that these lines are straight. So I can go with my perpendicular and say that line is 90 degrees to this line and should straighten itself out. All right, time to put dimensions. All right, this top edge here is 35. Okay, so I'm going to go to dimension, hit that top line, bring it up, point, or just 35, not point, just 35. Okay, the height is 140. 140. Oops. 40. The length is 125. 125. And this last side piece right here is, there it is, 30. 30? Zoom in. Nope, 50. 50. Always double check your measurements. So that's our basic view. I'm going to go ahead and finish. Let's go into isometric so I can see what we're doing. Okay, we're going to go that way. And we're going to extrude it 76. Okay, extrude 76. There we go. For bye. All right. To do the bottom part, I want to start the sketch on the bottom of my object. Okay, so I'm going to rotate this up, select it, and create sketch. Now I want to make sure that I'm drawing this on the right side, okay? Because this part right here is right next to the longest length of this height. That's what I'm trying to say. Bring this over a little bit. Okay. My height is right there, so it's going to be on the bottom. So double check on yours to make sure that you have this correct. Okay. So again, I'm doing it right there. All right. So I'm going to draw out two circles off to the side. Those circles have a radius of 30, so a diameter of 60. So I'm going to draw my circle over here. And it's going to be 60. Do the same thing on this side. Circle. Bring it over. Click. 60. All right. We got to line these guys up. Okay, according to the blueprint here, they're 160 apart. So let's put that there. Center. Center. Okay. 160. All right. I know this top edge of the circle meets this top edge. So I just want to offset it down. Okay. The radius, which just happens to be 30. And then I can use a horizontal vertical constraint to line them up. Okay, now we got to go sideways here. We got to do the math. So we're going to take 160, 160, and we're going to subtract it by the length of this. So that's subtract 76. Okay. And then we're going to divide it by 2. Okay, divide 2 is 42. Okay, that's how much space is right here. So I'm going to go to dimension, center circle, to corner. It's 42. And just to double check, I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm not going to finish it. It also says 42. We're good. All right. Then we're going to go to our line command. Okay, we're going to go right here to the edge. Bring it straight over and click. Okay, notice I didn't get it right on there, so I'm going to grab that, pull it over, or make it easy, we'll just trim it up. Do the same thing on top. Okay, top to the corner, which I didn't make it. Okay, let's delete that and let's try that again. Now, if these lines for the dimension kind of mess you up, like it just did me, you just turn them off. All right, let's try this. Try number 2. And again, I keep clicking ahead of time. So that point gets connected to that point. There we go. And I'm going ahead and trim that circle out. Notice this one's tangent, this one's not. So let's put our tangency in. There we go. That side's done. Let's do this side. Same way. Okay, I'm going to do it working backwards this time. Okay, that corner straight over to my circle. Okay, circle. Okay, oops. Let me try that again. Circle, straight over, straight. Here we go. Let's make sure that it's tangent. So that line is tangent to that circle. All right, and then we take the scissors, trace that out, or cut that out. All right, so that's it for that. We're going to go ahead and finish. Okay, let's get back on the right feet here. Extrude both. And they are, it doesn't say, I think we agree that it's going to be 20. Okay, so we'll hit mouse, we get those, and go negative 20 because it was pointing down, and just make sure it says join. All right, there we go. All right, now what we're going to do is put the holes in. Okay, So I'm going to go work and look straight down. It makes it easier that way. Okay, with these holes, you see this dimension here. Okay, it says that we have a diameter of 30 millimeters. Okay, so that's its inside hole. The outside hole is it's 40, and it goes down 2. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to go this hole. That allows us to do it all at one time. We're going to do a counter bore and simple and flat. Okay, so I'm going to hit on my surface. See, it's not even, so if I hit it again, okay, let's make sure I get the right angle here. Right there, up. Go to reference. That's why it's not letting me do it. It's still not letting me do that. Let's try it again. Here. There. Okay. Counterpart to that. All right. So to measure diameter, I believe it's 30. Nope, 40, and it goes down 2 inches or 2 millimeters. So this is going to be 40. It's going to come down 2. And then the inner one is 30. Okay. And then the whole height is, let's see here. Look, it matters too much. Okay. 2. All right. The whole length. Okay, the whole length is going to be 20 millimeters. That's what we made it. There we go. And then we just say, okay. So there's a hole. We're going to do the same thing on this side. It's going to be quicker though. Hit it. As you can see, we're going to click. Okay, center it. Everything else should be the same. And just hit okay. Oh, no, it's not. So I'm going to right click on that, edit feature, and let's see, where did we go wrong? Ah, okay. It only goes down 2, not 10. Try it again. 2 millimeters. Okay. Much better. All right. All right, go back home here. All right, so our next we're going to do is that slot right down here in the middle. Okay, for that we got to start drawing on our top. Okay, I'm going to flip it around just so it makes a little bit of sense. There's the top. Okay. And we see it is 18 by 26. Yep. Okay, so we're going to do a square. Okay, we're going to start right here. Bring it up. Okay, 18. Did I say 26? Nope, 26 and 18. Got it backwards. 26. Okay, this is 18. There we go. And let's see, we got to make it centered. So we know the whole length is 67. All right. So 67. Okay. Subtract 26. And divide it by 2. 25. Okay. So we're going to hit corner, corner, 25. we go. That one's done. Okay. We're going to start with this one. Create a sketch. And I'm going to go to the rectangle. Okay, I'm going to do this topper edge, bring it down. Okay. Again, it's 26 long. Dimension. Come on, there we go. 26. This is 18. Okay. 18. Oh, I did something wrong here. Oh, yeah. And then we went center it. Forgot that part. I knew I was forgetting something. Okay. So I believe what did we calculate it to be? 24? Yeah. Or 42. Okay. Not 28, not 27. All right, we got their two angle pieces. All right, and let's flip it towards the front. All right, so under create, you're going to go to loft, and we just hit that triangle and this, or rectangle, and this rectangle. Make sure it says cut, and say OK. Okay, the only thing else we got to do is to fill out the corners. I'm going to go to fill it, and actually we can fill out much. 0.5. It looks like it's going to be this edge and connecting edge. Okay, so it's going to be that edge, connecting lines, that corner, and it's 5. Same thing on the other side. Okay, fill it, click the corners. Okay, and what am I missing? I feel like I'm missing something. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and it's 0.5. There it is, 0.5. How come? I goofed up somehow. Let's see. Oh, it's rounded. So let's just add the sketch. Okay. Ah, not 0.5, 5. That's where I messed up. Always double check. All right. So that includes our part. Okay. So save it. Turn it in. Okay. Again, if you have any problems, let me know. And I will see you guys next time.